In this video, we'll discuss AI Copilot role in Power Apps, and also we'll discuss how to create a responsive app using Copilot. And within 2 minutes, we can able to create a responsive app. And we'll try to perform the CRUD operations in the Dataverse table using Copilot. Now, actually, the Copilot control is a next generation AI assistant that can be integrated in your Canvas app. And also it enables end users to use a chat experience that is powered by AI. And also this feature allow app users to obtain the insights about the data in their apps through natural language conversations. As a maker, as a developer, we can able to add the control to any Canvas app using AI Copilot, and it is easy to utilize also. If people does not have much experience in a Power Apps also, they can able to create a simple apps using AI Copilot. We'll jump back into the Power Apps. So here it is a home page of Power Apps, and when we go to the apps option in the left menu, we can able to see an option name called Start with Copilot. When you click this one, it will give us a window. From here we have 3 different windows it is showing. It's split it into 3 categories. So here we can able to pass our requirement, and here it will show what it is to do. And here we have couple of suggestions to add the columns or to add a row. When you click this one, it will provide the suggestions. But now I'll try to create one Dataverse table, and we'll utilize the Dataverse table in a Canvas app to create an app to perform the CRUD operations. So for that, I'm going to give an instructions here like create a Canvas app to perform create, read, update, delete records in the Dataverse table. So this is enough. If you want to add any other information also, you can able to add here. So when I click enter, or when I press this one, and it will give suggestion, and it will provide one Dataverse table to work on. Now it is providing a Dataverse table here. You can see here is a table for the Dataverse, and which have some data. In the top we have edit table properties, but this will be in a disabled state. This is a table. This is the display name of it, the plural name, and the description, and the primary column which is going to is, and the schema name. These are in disabled state, and we cannot able to update anything here. If you want to change anything, or if you want to describe, you want to change something in this one, you can able to do, you can able to enter again. And also once we create also, we can able to change. We will get other options for that. So now I'm clicking create app. So once we click this create app, and it will show like this. It is trying to create an app. It will take a couple of seconds, and it will create a app. We can see that. And here we can get this Copilot window, and every time this Copilot option is visible in the top right corner, and from here we can able to call the Copilot. And if you want to add anything to the existing app, you can able to add from here. Now here it is added a screen, and within that screen it added one container, one top container, which is screen container 1. Under that we can able to see the table name container, or which is here, it is in the top. You can able to see the label, which is the Dataverse, and you can able to see the icon here, which is a office sync icon. Under that we can able to see another container. Under that we have 3 more containers. One is this sidebar container, and we do have a write container, and this is a delete confirmation box. This will see in the runtime. Now here we can able to see this Copilot. If you click this one, it will disappear, and if you click this one, it will come again. So here we have a couple of options, and Copilot is trying to help us to create a screen, form, or a button, or if you want to change any fields or text icons, you can able to do from here. And here we have another window, another box to enter the information to add something. Now I want to add a screen. For that, I'm just trying to type add new screen to the app. When I click enter, now it will try to add one more screen. This is an empty screen. If you provide any information, you can able to enter here, and it will add something like, if you want to add a screen with a gallery or add a screen with something, you can able to do that. And here we do have an option, one screen is added. If you want to undo that, you can able to undo. If you hit undo, the screen will disappear. And again, if you want to add something, you can able to do that. Here it's like your chatbot, and it also gives some suggestions. Here you can click add an email screen. If you want to add, you can able to add from here. Now we'll play this one, and it is a responsive model, so that you can able to check from here. If you click this one, and this is a screen, the Copilot is created. Now if you click this one, these are the tablet layouts. If you click this one, these are the mobile layouts. If I hit Apple 8 or Apple 12, 13, 14, now it will come like this, and you can select whatever the way you want to see. And also you want to see in the tablet style 12.9, so you can able to see this one, because it is designed in a responsive model. And if you want to go back here with the window size, you can able to select the window size. Now it is coming in a responsive mode. Now if you want to perform anything, for example, I'm selecting this one, I can able to see right here. If I select this one, I can able to see the data here. If you want to add, if you click new, and this new form will appear, you can able to add the information here, something like abc@rishansolutions.com, and name, you can enter something called test, and then phone number, you can able to add the phone number here as well, and the record ID, which is important, and I'm just giving 1, 2, 3. And when I click this right one, and this data will add back to the dataverse table. Now you can able to see the data which you entered. Now it coming back to the display form. And if you want to edit anything, and if you hit this one, this field comes into an edit mode, and here you can able to change this one, David John, and then you can save this one. And even though delete also work as it is, we have the delete option, whatever the data you selected, and you can able to delete this one, and it is asking for the confirmation box. And this confirmation box also designed in the Canvas app directly. When we click delete, and it will delete the record from the dataverse table. So this way we can able to create an app CRUD operations. And also now recently Microsoft added this Copilot functionality menu. So this, if you want to know some formula, there is a formula which is defined here, and you want to know about this formula, just click on it, and then you can see this option called explain this formula. When we click this explain this formula, and it will give the information related to the formula which is written here, and this expression updates the context variables edit mode and selected record with the values of a true and the selected record from the record gallery 1 respectively. So this way, whatever the formula which is already written, and this option Copilot functionality menu will explain you what the formula is going to do when you play this one, or when you publish and run this app, and what it is going to do, it will explain here. So these are the advantages we have with the Copilot, and we have more advantages with the Copilot, even though when you're working with a Power Automate, and there also the Copilot plays a major role, and it will create a Power Automate flow for us when you give a proper instruction to the Copilot. And even though when you are working and you already working something, and you're trying to add something within that, if you select and if you go back to the Copilot, and if you provide the information to the Copilot, and it will help you to add the functionality, or it will help you to add the controls into the app. So we'll discuss that one, how it will help already if you developed, and what way if you want to define one formula, a big formula, you are not going to understand and write, and how the Copilot will help you to write the formulas. That we'll discuss in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.